All right, the video number two. The video number two, I need to create again. Right, this is the order. This is the order. The call is candidate, right? Token, and then they will execute to buy. Have a gas fees, have a balance checking. They have a reserve, right? And then the all thing is done to with a trade, right? So if you could make it a control C, that means you close all. So now I want to open again, right? But now I am setting the second setting, right? I put a second setting, right? I put a second setting, right? I tell minimum is 5,000, and then the volume minimum is 300, right? 300, right? So and then the minimum is I just maintain 30 edges, and then that is scanning. All thing is the same, right? All thing is the same. So I just put here, and then I go here, and I just enter here, right? I just enter here, and then I just click like this, enter, and then I need to put the hidden my private key, right? So I just go to the my private key, right? And then I just copy my private key, right? So I just go here, right? I just enter, right click, and paste my private key, enter, and they're running for us, right? So what they're searching, the TW news, right? They're searching a TW news, and then they're not open yet my TW news, right? So they're not yet open my TW news, right? So after they will make it buying, so they will enter. So now they are scanning only. They are scanning only, right? They are scanning only. So that is our strategy how to buy a token. Wait, I want to make it a screenshot first. This one a screenshot. So this one include balance. See, we need to put again another balance. Wait. So we just put another balance, and then we watching. They will order the price, right? Or you want to cancel first this one? Just put like this and cancel, right? And then you need to open the new version, or you need to open another thing is a version 5, right?